Good evening, my name is Joel Love, and this is the Group 3 presentation on our sheet metal roll forming project. With me are Samuel Guernsey, and we have Alfredo Juarez behind the camera. If you come a little closer, I'll give you a slight introduction to our machine here. So you can see our rollers. We have 5 sets that go from generally shallow to much deeper, and there's more detail on those in the CAD files we've submitted. But they are set up in a configuration that does a 3-bend W shape. And I'm going to take the camera.
And so, as you might be able to tell, looking at the bottom sets of rollers, we've actually got guides built into them to help keep our sheet metal true to the original shape from start to finish. And so now Alfredo is going to demonstrate a roll for us. Now, it's not quite as crisp as we would like it, and I think part of that is due to how we actually assembled our pieces to the axles. We actually went with through holes through the surface of the rollers, whereas multiple groups often put their pieces out to the side instead. But I have found that this seems to work a little bit better as far as putting together and assembling our rollers went.
As you can also see on these rollers, we had to use tape in order to increase the friction, and when we did that, that helped the rollers push the piece forward. We were also thinking that maybe in the future it would be nice to have these shafts to be squared. That might help with the force of the entire rollers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Should we run our test?
Yeah, let's run another couple, maybe 1 or 2 more tests. Just so you can see start to finish, we don't actually put our hands on it after it leaves. It's essentially self-feeding itself from start to finish once we put that piece in. And maybe get it close up. You want to get up a little bit closer and just kind of follow it through. It gets stuck a little bit, but we might need a little bit of help, but it should do it all by itself. And this inconsistency that we're seeing from the rollers could also be to just inconsistent cuts in our material. May not be quite wide enough, so it may not be gripping as full as it should. Thank you.